Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best floor lamp parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the functionality and aesthetic of your beloved lighting fixtures, ensuring that your home remains beautifully illuminated and your favorite lamps continue to serve their purpose with style and efficiency, preventing the need for costly replacements and extending the lifespan of your cherished home decor. Number 5. Black Lamp Rewire Kit. Bring your old lamps back to life or create something entirely new with this easy-to-use rewiring kit. It's perfect for any DIY project, even if you've never done it before. This kit includes everything you need for your project: a 12-foot cord, a 3-way socket, and all the necessary hardware for a complete repair or build. You don't need any prior experience to use this kit. It's designed for beginners, making lamp repair and creation simple and safe. Featuring a 12-foot UL-listed cord, these electrical components ensure your repurposed or repaired lamps are safer than ever. Enjoy peace of mind with quality parts. Don't settle for ordinary. This kit allows you to fully customize your lighting to perfectly match your personal style and home decor. We're confident you'll love this product. It comes with a 100% happiness guarantee, and will provide free replacements for any damaged parts. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for a DIY lamp project. It's designed for beginners, making it easy to rewire or create custom lighting. If you're looking to restore an old lamp or build a new one from scratch without prior experience, this is a great starting point. What people say. The lamp has a sturdy base that prevents it from tipping over. The adjustable arm allows for easy positioning of the light. The dimmer function provides customizable brightness levels. Number 4. Antique Brass Lamp Making Kit. This kit provides all the essential parts you need to create or repair your own lamps. It includes cords, sockets, and all necessary hardware for a successful project. You don't need any prior experience to use this kit. It's designed for beginners to easily repair vintage lamps or build custom lighting from scratch. The electrical components are UL listed and polarized, ensuring a safe and reliable connection. You can confidently update old lamps to meet modern safety standards. Unleash your creativity and design a lamp that perfectly matches your personal style and home decor. Make a lighting fixture that is uniquely yours. We are confident you'll love this product. It comes with a happiness guarantee, and we offer free replacements for any damaged parts. What we like? This kit offers a stylish antique brass finish for your DIY lamp projects. It's also beginner-friendly and includes a UL-listed cord for safety. If you desire a vintage aesthetic for your custom lamp or want to repair an old fixture with a touch of classic style, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lamp has a sturdy base and a flexible gooseneck that allows for easy adjustment of the light direction. It provides a bright, focused light that is perfect for reading or task lighting. The assembly was straightforward, and all the necessary parts were included in the package. Number 3. E26 Light Socket with on-off switch. Crafted from premium phenolic material with an aluminum interior, this socket is built to last. It's UL listed and rated for up to 250W250V, ensuring safety and performance. Easily control your lighting with the integrated on-off switch. No more fumbling for cords, simply flip the switch for instant illumination. Get your lighting project done quickly and affordably. It's designed for easy DIY installation, saving you time and the cost of an electrician. Enhance your home decor with its sleek black finish. This versatile design complements any lamp style, seamlessly integrating into your existing fixtures. Perfect for table lamps, floor lamps, and various light fixtures. Give your old lamps a new lease on life with this essential replacement part. What we like? This socket features a convenient built-in on-off switch for easy operation. It's UL listed and made from durable phenolic material for long-lasting use. If you need a simple replacement for a table or floor lamp that includes an integrated switch for added convenience, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great replacement part for my floor lamp. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well with my existing decor. Number 2. DiCUNO E26 Lamp Socket Replacement with Turn Switch. This lamp socket is UL listed and built with durable Bakelite material. It has a maximum power rating of 250W and 250V, ensuring safe operation for your lighting needs. Easily replace your old or broken lamp socket in just a few minutes. It's designed for a standard E26 base, saving you time and money on electrician fees. This retro on-off socket is an excellent choice for fixing old or damaged lamps. Restore your favorite fixtures with this reliable replacement part. Ideal for various lighting projects, it's perfect for floor lamps, table lamps, and DIY fixtures in any room of your home. We stand by our product with a 3-month and 1-year warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. What we like. This socket comes with a turn switch knob for controlling your light. It's made from sturdy Bakelite material and includes a warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable replacement part for a floor or table lamp that offers a classic turn knob switch and added assurance, this is a solid selection. What people say. The lamp is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The adjustable height and brightness are perfect for reading. Number 1. 3-way lamp socket replacement kit, antique brass. This lamp socket replacement is UL listed and built with sturdy aluminum for safe and reliable use. Its design ensures proper insulation for your peace of mind. Easily control your lighting with 3 distinct settings, low, medium, and high. Simply twist the knob to adjust the intensity, perfect for any mood or task. Upgrade your lamps in just a few minutes with this easy-to-install kit. It comes with clear instructions to help you complete the setup perfectly, even for DIY projects. Ideal for repairing old lamps or creating new ones, this socket is perfect for your DIY table lamps, floor lamps, and industrial decorative lighting projects. We are confident you'll love our product. It comes with our happiness guarantee, and we offer free replacements for any damaged parts. What we like. This socket offers 3-way light settings, allowing you to adjust brightness from low to high. It features an antique brass finish and is UL listed for safety. If you want to add versatility to your lamp by controlling light intensity with a simple twist, especially for decorative or industrial style lamps, this is the ideal upgrade. What people say. The lamp is very sturdy and well made. Easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The adjustable height and brightness are perfect for reading. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.